Standards Practice Week 11. Number 1. Which ordered pair is not a solution of the following inequality? Y is greater than 5x plus 3. Okay, every coordinate is written as an xy. So I just need to plug in these values into my inequality and see which one works. So for the first one, 0, 4, the y is 4. 5 times the x is 0. So I want to know, is 4 greater than what 0 plus 3 is? If it is, then that is a solution and you don't want to pick it. The next one, you're going to do the y value is 2, so 2 is greater than 5 times negative 1 plus 3. So I want to know, is 2 greater than negative 5 plus 3? If it is, then it's a solution. If it isn't, then that's the one you're going to choose. For the third one, I want to know if 14 is greater than 5 times 2 plus 3. So is 14 greater than 10 plus 3? And then the last one, my y value is 8. So I want to know if 8 is greater than 5 times 1 plus 3. So is 8 greater than 5 plus 3? And notice none of these have or equal to, so the left-hand side needs to be higher in value than the right-hand side. And you're looking for the one that is not a solution. Number 2. Given the linear inequality 4x plus 2y is greater than 8, determine the correct features of the graph from the options below. Select all that apply. Okay, so I'm going to be graphing this. So let me rewrite it. I want to get y by itself because it's easier to graph things in slope-intercept form. So I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides. So 2y is greater than, I can't subtract these, so I'm going to leave it as negative 4x plus 8. To get rid of this multiplying by 2, I'm going to divide both sides by 2. So y is greater than, since I did not divide by a negative, I'm going to leave it as greater than negative 2x plus 4. So that means the information that I have is my slope is negative 2 over 1, because that's what value is in front of x, and my y-intercept is 4. So if I were to graph this, 1, 2, 3, 4, I would start on my y-intercept, which is 4. Let me choose a different color. And then I would go down 2 over 1. Down 2 over 1. Down 2 over 1. Down 2 over 1. And since this is not or equal to, this is going to be a dashed line. Hopefully yours is straighter than mine. And since y is greater, I want to know where all the y values are greater at. So that means I would shade above this line. So all these values over here. So I have all these are solutions not on the line. Any point that's on the line is not a solution. Okay, so I want to know, is it shaded above or below? Am I going to have a dashed or solid line? And then it does ask here about quadrants. Just as a reminder, when you're doing quadrants, it's like a C because this is a coordinate plane. So here's quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it wants to know which quadrant is not shaded at all. There's your graph. Number 3. The Cougars scored a total of 84 points in their basketball game last night against the Bears. The Cougars made no 1-point shots, so we don't have to worry about the 1 point, and a total of 38 2-point shots. Well, 38 times 2 is definitely not 84. Let x represent the number of 2-point shots, and y represent the, oops, there should be an N there for number, of 3-point shots. Write a system of equations. Okay, well, we can do that. So points go with points, just like money goes with money. So the number of 2 points, let me get a pen. Number of 2 points plus the number of 3 points should give you a total of 84 points. Oh, then they made 38 2-point shots. So since x is 2 point, x equals 38. How many 2-point and 3-point shots did the Cougars make? We know X is 38, so the number 2-point shots is 38. So I just need to know how many 3-point shots were made by plugging this value in for X and solving for Y. So 2x plus 3y equals 84. So I'm going to do 2 times 38 plus 3y equals 84. You're going to figure out what this value is and subtract it, and then divide both sides by 3, and that'll tell you how many 3-point shots were made.